Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be using these ballerina fold cover tips from Temu, and we're going to make some simple press-ons together. So I just want to show you what they look like. I've used these before on the channel. I really like these a lot. The quality of these honestly is the closest I've found to a prey, which is weird enough, but it's true. I mean, they're not as strong, but they're very similar in certain ways. Just the feel of them when you take them out of the box and such. These are like $4 for 600 tips or whatever. I think that's what it said on the box. So I already pre-buff and pre-shape the tip of mine before I start filming, just because I like to have that ready. So I'm just placing them down on my nail stand. I have new ones coming and I'm so excited, but for now we're using these wooden ones. You can find these literally anywhere, Temu or Amazon, whatever you want. And we're gonna get going. And I like putty. I like putty better than the double-sided sticky things. They don't work for me at all. So here's a little sneak peek of what we're gonna be creating. Something super simple but classy and wearable for literally any time of the year. I'm taking this Gayoi polish. These are available on Amazon. It's 1513. It's a milky white, and I like this one a lot. It's not that it's thick, it goes on really nice, but I feel like it gives nice strength to the nail. There's something about this polish that I like. So yeah, we're gonna speed through the painting of the base layer. I just also wanted to say I have a couple of exciting videos coming up. I actually finally made, it's not huge or anything, but I made a purchase from Temu, which I haven't done in quite a few months. I was trying not to buy stuff, so I bought just a couple of things. So I can't wait to get that stuff and film a haul for you guys. And also I made a small purchase from Amazon. Again, it's nothing crazy like my previous ones, but yeah, I can't wait to share those. Oh my god, and I had a very sweet subscriber reach out to me and say that my content helps their wife, and they told me that they make royalty-free music. Could I really make a sentence today? That would be great. So I got a new song. I'm excited about it because I was honestly sick of my other song. Like, this was perfect timing. It's almost like you read my mind. So let's put it in here for a sec, and if you're interested for some music for your channel or whatever, I will leave them linked in the description box. Okay, so now I'm grabbing Playground by Nail Reserve LA. You could use my code if you want to pick something up by them for 60% off. And this is in the shade Playground, like I said. And I'm just going to put a layer of that all over the top of that milky white polish just to add a little bit of something extra. Okay, so here's the fun part. I'm going to take my magnet and another Gayoi nail polish. This is from their like cat eye collection. It's $13.20. It's just a silver. You can use whatever brand you like. I just happen to have these, and look how beautifully holographic these are. So, like the title says, we're going to be trying the glitter ombre trend here, and this was super easy. The only other thing you're going to need, or you don't need, is an ombre brush. I have done it before without that, but this just definitely makes it easier for sure. I was having a little bit of issues with my filming setup. I've moved things around since when I filmed this, so just bear with me. I don't know. I get my shit together a little bit more in a bit, so I'm just painting some down on the tip part wherever I feel like I want it, and that's about where I'm happy with it. Make sure you get it on your edges as well because you don't want any blank spots. And I'm going to take my ombre brush and just lightly, we're using a gentle hand here as if we're using like a makeup brush, and we are blending. So you don't want to be too rough, so just the lightest touch and just feather out the bottom line so it is not so stark, and it's really just as simple as that. You can drag it down as far as you like, and just keep lightly doing that, lightly feathering until you're happy with the effect. And I'm happy there pretty much. So after that, you always want to use your magnet obviously before you cure. So we're going to do the cat eye effect with the magnet. Look how pretty that is. This is so easy. I love this trend. If you haven't tried it, definitely try it, and if you have, let me know how you like it. So we're just doing a little magnet work here, and it's as simple as that. And then as soon as you're done and you're happy with the way that your magnetic pieces are, you want to cure it, because if you wait too long, they can shift around, and you don't want that. So here's what the whole set is looking like. Super cute, very pretty, just like this. But we need that top coat, and I'm only going to put some accent charms on the thumb because I want to keep this simple and let the cat eye ombre speak for itself. So I'm using the Saviland glossy top coat for this set, and I'm just going to do a nice hearty coat on each nail, making sure I get the edges, making sure it's even, and then you're going to want to cure for 60 seconds, and then I like to go in and do my charms next, and then I top coat over my charms again. That's just how I like to do it. You can do it however you like, but yeah, that's how we're doing it here.